Hey, what is up guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and I just want to make this quick video guys to let you know that the Pokemon Quest video game is actually out right now. I'm actually installing it as we speak right now. So yeah guys, if you wanted to get this Pokemon Quest game for Android, it is out right now. As you can see, it's 100% completed. At the moment, it's 206 megabytes. It's 2:30 in the morning, but I've been like staying up just to, download this game and see it come out and whatnot. Thank you for all the subscribers and comments letting me know when this game was going to come out. So it is officially the 27th at 2:30 in the morning. So we're going to go ahead and open this up real quick just to show you briefly what the game actually looks like. And yeah, so comment down below guys if you're going to get this game, if you're excited about it. Have you already pre-registered for it? So yep, there we have it. There you go. It's the Pokemon Quest mobile game. Really excited for this. I am a pretty big Pokemon fan, not the biggest, but I'm like more first gen, so this will be more exciting for me because I'm not really into the whole like the newest Pokemon. I'm more of a old school type player. But let's go ahead and just go through this real quick. Yes, I would like to play in English. So there we go. And this is running on the Blade Z Max. I'm gonna get this running on all my other devices as well. Yes, I have. All right, let's go. Birth year, birth month. Okay, let's do this. As you guys know, I'm 36 years old. So here we go. Let's just do this. Let's do this, man. Let's go. All right. Without spending any money, blah, 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 blah. All right. And there you have it. All fully downloaded and playing right now. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you guys go get your thing. I guess that's the setup right there. Not really too hard of a thing. Got a little cube boat. You come off on Cube Island. And yeah, so go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoyed the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of Magic Tech Review family. And like I said, comment down below what you think about the game so far, what you have heard, and I will be busy playing the first few minutes of this game. If you want to see more Pokemon Quest videos, go ahead and let me know. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye-bye now.